Welcome back. Day 12 of our road trip. And the last day of our trip. Finally today, we are going back to home. Let's take the Lambo out. Let's do the cold start. It's a little bit difficult to take the car out. But we will manage. Need to be careful. Finally, it's out. We enjoyed it a lot here. Now let's go. When these 12 days are gone, I don't know. It's very smooth to spend. Now we can say, we make a lot of memories. And the main thing, Lambo, is they work very well. Not a single problem when you do this. I made a very good decision to take this car. After getting back to home, we have a lot of work to do on this SEO. Like cleaning, removing the top box brings it to its original color. Let's see when we are going to do this. Finally connect to the expressway. Now, in a few minutes we will reach home. Finally, A big hands down to the SVJ. Work properly in every terrain. Sorry to be much involved in cinematic. Like, share, comment, subscribe.